Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Coldwell Banker, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your real estate business with Coldwell Banker, start by familiarizing yourself with the brand and its values. Research the history and mission of Coldwell Banker to understand what sets it apart in the industry. Create a business plan that outlines your goals and objectives. Identify your target market to tailor your approach effectively. Utilize the training and resources provided by Coldwell Banker. Attend onboarding sessions and workshops to gain valuable insights. Connect with a mentor within the organization who can provide guidance. Leverage Coldwell Banker's technology tools to enhance your marketing efforts. Set up your online presence, including a professional website and social media accounts. Develop a strong branding strategy that aligns with the Coldwell Banker identity. List properties with high-quality photos and engaging descriptions to attract potential buyers. Network with other agents to broaden your reach and share referrals. Participate in local community events to build relationships and gain visibility. Stay updated on market trends and local real estate news to position yourself as an expert. Regularly engage with clients through email newsletters and personalized communications. Consider using paid advertising options to increase your exposure in competitive markets. Analyze your performance regularly to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and results to continually grow your business. Seek further education and professional development opportunities offered by Coldwell Banker. Celebrate your milestones and successes to maintain motivation and momentum. Stay committed to building meaningful relationships for long-term growth and sustainability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.